Good morning, everyone. I am Nicole Juarez, your marketing expert for today. So today, we will be discussing the online banking of Banco de Oro or BDO. In today's discussion, we will tackle what is BDO online banking, its market dynamics, and its benchmarking strategies. We will also talk about its segmentation, target market, products and services, branding, and its product strategy. Before we start, are you familiar with Banco de Oro or BDO? If not, let me guide you in knowing their company and their products and services. Banco de Oro Unibank was established on January 2, 1968 as Acme Savings Bank. It is a thrift bank that has only two branches in Metro Manila, but now they have a wide array of branches nationwide and all over the world. BDO is one of the leading companies here in the Philippines. They provide a complete array of industry-leading products and services, including lending, corporate and consumer, deposit taking, foreign exchange, brokering, trust and investments, credit cards, retail cash cards, corporate cash management, and remittances in the Philippines. The bank also offers digital banking solutions to make banking easier, faster, and more secure for its clients. Video online banking is banking through the convenience and privacy of internet-enabled device. You can secure banking transactions anywhere in the world, anytime or all the time. Now, let's proceed to BDO's market dynamics. After identifying and carefully studying your target market, BDO sets measurable and realistic goals. They carefully plan the rollout of their e-marketing strategies to achieve effectivity. So here are some actions that BDO undertakes. First, they treat the internet as more than just an advertising medium. Second, they integrate e-marketing with other marketing activities. Third, they are more cautious when using e-marketing. And fourth, they take advantage of the popularity of social media. Now, in terms of benchmarking, BDO does not only provide quality banking but also provides consistent competitive returns. In fact, BDO's equity fund for 2010 outpaced the benchmark PSE index by 12.59%, with the former earning of 50.59% compared to the latter's 37.62%. The same trend was likewise displayed by the Peso Balance Fund, which posted a ROI of 39.81% in 2010 compared with the 19.02% performance of its benchmark, the average PSEI, and the Bloomberg average 30-day special savings rate. Now, let's proceed to BDO's segmentation process. So BDO's segmentation process is positioned as a convenience bank offering a wide array of positive financial products and services, longer banking hours, and a Saturday banking experience. The market is segmented by the person whose banking needs are based on their lifestyle. Through this segmentation, development, and expansion of distribution channels to promote convenience banking to phone, through branches, internet, and ATMs will be given emphasis. BDO's target market. Banco de Oro's target market includes all people who have bank accounts. Businesses may open up their account and so they can easily take money out of their business. Working people may use it as they may not have time to go to the bank and take out money. BDO's products and services. So with BDO online banking, you can access your accounts 24/7, check your account balance, transfer money, pay your bills, buy a load, reload BDO cash cards, order more checkbooks, perform stop payment, and send money or wire transfer. In terms of branding, you must be familiar with BDO's logo and their famous slogan, right? BDO consists of letters B, D in blue color and O in yellow color in their logo. Their famous tagline, "We find ways," is also committed to delivering products and services that surpass customer expectations. Their tagline also underlines just how committed the bank is to find the right solution for every customer. So BDO's product strategy. Part of the bank's stellar response to COVID-19 can also be attributed to its culture of innovation, which has helped it to adapt more easily to the restrictive conditions that had continued to prevail. For instance, it has greatly simplified its branch forms and streamlined its branch processes during the last year or so with the aim of making it easier and quicker to onboard new customers. It has also continued investing heavily in information technology and digital banking as a way to boost service delivery and improve accessibility for its customers. This investment is now proving to be hugely fruitful during the ECQ, a period in which the availability of digital, online, and mobile banking channels has been critical for some customers to continue to receive uninterrupted service despite mobility and transportation restrictions. So, how to sign up for BDO Digital Banking? First, sign up at bdo.com.ph. Second, activate your account at the nearest BDO ATM. Third, download the BDO Digital Banking app. And fourth, activate your one-time PIN generator.
Coming into adulthood has so much responsibility that is waiting for you, and one of this is knowing how online banking works. So I will be sharing with you the BPI services and how they work. Hi everyone, I'm Pabiona, your marketing expert. So BPI has been in the business since 1851, aging 170 years old, and it is one of the most stable financial institutions in the Philippines. Their products and services have played significant role in every Filipino's daily life, as well as in the country's increasingly expanding and evolving economy. As the first bank in Southeast Asia, they have established a history of client trust, financial strength, and innovation. In 1999, BPI pioneered online banking in the Philippines with the launch of the online bank BPI Direct in addition to banking products and services, where an individual could conveniently send money using BPI online banking system, enjoy real-time and hassle-free transactions to other banks via InstaPay. Now let's tackle its marketing dynamics, customers, and benchmarking. Ayala-led Bank of the Philippine Islands, or the BPI, is competing in the digital space as is not as a formal digital bank, via a suite of apps for each customer's segments to get as much of the growing digital market in less time. They tap different customer segments and different customer needs in different businesses. BPI's customers are bank depositors, investors, shareholders, and online bank users. The latest new-to-bank features of BPI, which is a purely digital bank opening, make their performance better than other banks. BPI's mobile or e-wallet partners use their application programming interface or APIs to fund themselves, such as its sister company, a financial technology firm, the GCash. Plans are underway to offer consumer loans such as credit card promos, investments, insurance, and even the opening of new accounts through GCash. The bank segments include consumer banking, corporate banking, and investment banking. The consumer banking segment addresses the individual and retail markets and covers deposit taking and servicing, consumer lending such as home mortgage, auto loans, and credit card finance, as well as the remittance business. The corporate banking segment offers lending, leasing, trade, and cash management services. The investment banking segment offers corporate finance, securities distribution, asset management, trust, and fiduciary services, as well as proprietary trading and investment activities. The bank also serves its customers through alternative electronic banking channels, such as telephone, mobile phone, and the internet. Do you have an idea who is the target market of the BPI? Well, let me discuss it. BPI Capital highly values the trust given to them by the most respected names in the Philippine business. BPI's clientele includes conglomerates, small to mid-sized businesses, entrepreneurs, institutional and individual sectors, and future Philippine champions. They aim to lead the digital banking market by providing more service to its customers and not just focusing on one app to cater all its clients, since they are different from each other with different kinds of needs. And by that, BPI aims to create an additional app to cater the differences. BPI is also introducing mini apps for mini digital solutions tailor-fit for what some of their clients require. Bank users can also download the BPI Express Assist or the BEA app to access the lender's conversational bank app, which processes requests such as cash transfers and balance inquiry, among others, through voice or in-text commands. Bank of the Philippine Islands has boosted its digital ecosystem by sealing partnerships for open banking and allowing more services to be accessible through its mobile app and online banking, as well as its pilot of a conversational banking app. BPI is acknowledged as a leading provider of financial services in the Philippines, aims to build a better Philippines that nurture every Filipino's future with a trusted approach to managing money and innovation that makes life easier every day. The escudo has evolved over the years. BPI's brand values remain the same. The new escudo amplifies four essential elements of the historic symbol: the crown, the shield, the tower, and the lion rampant. The crown and the gold symbolize the trust that comes with the rich legacy of the bank. To reach their target market, the banks went online, using a microsite devoted to make the Best Happen campaign to address some of the life and lifestyle of its customers. BPI Express Online is the one-stop shop for virtually all banking transactions of BPI account holders. From balance inquiry, fund transfers, bill payments, and mobile phone reloading to setting an appointment with the BPI branch. With its easy-to-use online banking system, BPI lives up to its "Let's make it easy" tagline. First-time users will only have only a little learning curve or none at all. Discover how BPI Online can make your everyday banking easier. Pay for your government fees, send money to their payout partners, and transfer money in many ways. Just visit BPI Online or download the BPI mobile app and click register now. Log in, then select transfer money, fill in the details and select transfer to third party. Enter the recipient's account number, confirm the details of your transaction and click confirm. Enter your mobile number or OTP, then select submit. That is all. May your online banking be easier.
Hi, I'm Laine Sainz and today I will be talking about brief information of RCBC Bank, online banking of RCBC, its market dynamics, customers, benchmarking, segmentation process, target market, product and services, the branding, product strategy, process of online banking, and the credits. The Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation or RCBC is majority owned by the Yohenko Group of companies, one of the oldest and largest conglomerates in Southeast Asia, covering over 60 businesses. It is among the largest private domestic banks in the country in terms of assets and has a network of over 480 branches and 1,500 ATMs as of 2019. Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation is a universal bank in the Philippines that provides a wide range of banking and financial products and services. The banks offer commercial, corporate, and consumer lending products, cash management products, treasury products, and remittance services. A bank distress or failure is more likely to damage the local economy of financial markets. Its activities comprise a large share of the domestic activity. The distress or failure of a large bank is also more likely to damage confidence in financial system as a whole. Financial distress at one institution can materially increase the likelihood of distress at other institutions given the network of contractual obligations in which they are operate. The more difficult it is for activities to be quickly replaced by others' bank, the greater the exchange. The chance in the distress of failure will cause disruption to the financial markets. The more complex of a bank is, the greater are the cost and time needed to resolve the bank. RCBC Bank provides banking and financial products and services. The bank offers commercial, corporate, and consumer lending products, among others. The role of banks as financial intermediaries as a capital-raising agents directly affect the promotion of economic development. While this occurs in the primary business operation and is caused by organization, potential environmental and social impact are leaked through the bank's business relationship with its end clients. This Cartex RCBC newest digital product entered the market as the country's first and only taglish financial inclusion super app. Its target market is the 70% unbanked population of the Philippines currently underserved by formal financial institutions. They belong to the social-economic classes C to D and E, and the majority reside outside of Metro Manila. As a country of more than 7,100 islands, a challenge of financial inclusion is to reach far-flung areas and grassroots communities. The establishment of brick-and-mortar financial service provides in these areas is a big obstacle to providing the residents and financial service they need. However, with recent improvements in infrastructure and telecommunications, more and more Filipinos could now access the internet. This, coupled with the availability of affordable smartphones, increased the penetration of smartphone usage to 57.56% in 2019 and projected to increase to 68.41% in 2022. RCBC brand. RCBC is the bank that believes in you. With customers at the heart of our products and services, RCBC believes in people even before they believe in themselves. We motivate individuals, families, and companies to think big, aim far, and to go for higher ambitions. For over 58 years, RCBC has been supporting Filipinos with their financial needs. The brand is dynamic, evolving with the times to serve the changing needs of Filipinos. Here are the steps how to enroll in RCBC online banking. First step, download the RCBC online banking app, then tap the register. The second, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 3, assign a user ID and password. Step 4, visit RCBC online banking.com and click enroll now. And lastly, read and agree to the terms and conditions, then provide your account details.
Hello everyone, I am Jenny and today I am going to discuss to you the Metrobank online banking. But before I start, I am going to show you the outline for our discussion. So first, let us know who is the owner of Metrobank Company. So the owner of Metrobank Company is George T. And the real name of Metrobank is Metropolitan Bank and Trust Corporation. What is Metrobank Online? Metrobank Online is Metrobank's new internet banking service that features enhanced user experience and interface, allowing customers to do various banking transactions conveniently 24/7. So here is the 3-step on how to sign up on Metrobank Online. The first step is to go to their website onlinebanking.metrobank.com.ph and click sign up. Now the second step is fill up the required information and follow the instructions shown on screen. Use the mobile number registered at your branch of account. And the last step is enroll your Metrobank account to fully access to the new features. What are the new and current features available on Metrobank Online? With Metrobank Online, you can now buy prepaid load, scan and generate QR code for fund transfers, manage your investment in unit investment trust fund, make a time deposit placement, and you can now schedule transactions. Metrobank SPP or segmentation, target, and positioning. Metrobank segmentation is retail and corporate customers. The target group is middle to higher customer, and the positioning of Metrobank is the first few high street banks in over 100 years. What is the logo of Metrobank all about? Inspired by the logo is Kudo of the mother company. The Metrobank Foundation logo is a stylized pentagon with red modified heart at the center to symbolize Metrobank Group's corporation citizenship. Blue, that signifies the nobility of spirit, was chosen as corporate color. The strategies of Metrobank. Metrobank employs the following major strategies: brand expansion, process re-engineering, forming of strategic alliance with respected foreign financial institution, and tapping the huge and growing consumer market. So that ends our short discussion about Metrobank online banking.
Good day, I'm Collen Trifalgar and I'm going to discuss about Land Bank. The Land Bank of the Philippines is a government financial institution that strikes a balance in fulfilling its social mandate of promoting countryside development while remaining financially valuable. Land Bank is by far the largest formal credit institution in the rural areas. It also ranks among the top 5 commercial banks in the country in terms of deposits, assets, and loans. What is Land Bank Online Banking? The online banking of Land Bank is called Land Bank iAccess. It's an alternative banking channel designed for individuals' customers, which provides a convenient, reliable, and secure delivery of banking service via internet. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The segmentation of Land Bank. The financial results of business segments of Land Bank operating segments are reported according to the nature of and type of services provided in the segment presenting a strategic business unit. Land Bank's business segments are follows: retail banking, corporate banking, treasury, and investment banking, and others. Segment revenues and expenses that are directly attributable to the business segment and the relevant portion of bank's revenues and expenses that can be allocated to that business segment are accordingly reflected as revenues and expenses of the business segment. Target market. The clients or the target market of Land Bank are small farmers and fishers, micro, small, and medium enterprises, countryside financial institutions, local government units, and government agencies, while promoting sustainable development anchored on good governance. Target market including the land-based OFWs, seafarers, immigrants, and Filipino with working visas. Product and services. The e-banking services of Land Bank are branding. Land Bank is known for its slogan, "We help you grow." Its simple tagline of "We help you grow" says much about the bank's role in looking after its customers while promoting their welfare through focusing on growing their investment, businesses, and savings. Product strategy. Bank's core business strategy is focused on expanding credit support to the priority sectors, small farmers and fisher folk, micro enterprises and SMEs, livelihood, agribusiness, agri-infrastructure, agri and environment-related projects, housing, utilities, schools, and hospitals, among others. The share of the priority sector's loans to banks' total loan portfolio is set annually at minimum of 75%. Land Bank also integrates technical, marketing, institutional building support services to these priority sectors to make them financially viable. Process of online banking. You can watch it on by this link. Thank you.